Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you very small tutorial that to show you difference between Excel and Power BI, how to style and color the table cells based on the text values. So let's see how we can do that. So if you take Excel, it's or like let's say if you come here and then just you can do the coloring here, right? Whatever the color you can select and put it, right? But in Power BI you can't do that. So let's see how we can do that as a trick. So now we are in Power BI. We create a small table, right? And we add value, maybe country, right? So this is how it looks like, but we can directly, color it. That is what we are going to achieve in this tutorial, how to set a fixed color for these values, these table cell values. So first of all, what we do is we create a measure, right? So here we say status color or something, anything that you want. And then we use a switch condition, switch, and then uh, so based on the selected value, right? Based on the country. So country, if I say India, then results is what I want is, let's say, orange. So I can use text colors here, right? I don't want to give hexa colors for certain colors. And then Poland, red. And then I can write UK, green. And then USA, blue, right? So then I close this switch condition. Then I click here, and then in the columns, I can say conditional formatting and set the background color. And then in here, I can say field value, and then I can say here status color, the new measure we have created, right? So as you can see now, it got a fixed value, fixed colors for all these cell values in the table based on the measure we have given. So this is the small tutorial that I want to show you today. Thank you for watching and keep in touch.